What's up, guys? Coach Lashley here, and
hey guys, Coach Miracle here. We want to talk to you about a new game, a couple new games that you can do at home. Okay, we are doing paper ball games today, and just to show you, there's nothing special about this. Okay, it's just paper wadded up. We have 2 or 3 different games that we want to show you. Coach, which one do you want to start with first?
let's start with the target in the middle since it's already there and ready to go.
All right, so we have taken some blue tape and made a square in the middle. Okay, you can use any kind of tape. Blue tape, it just shows up better on the screen. So in this game, it's kind of like curling.
From the Olympics.
When we throw, one person throws at a time. We can take our paper balls and knock the other team's paper balls out of the way. But the goal is to be in the center circle, in the center square, as close as possible. So, Coach, you can go first since you are Santa.
Oh.
All these games you can play at home with your family. You can even play with
Woohoo! Hole! Oh.
So Coach Lasley won. Okay, each of us had 3 paper balls. Here's another game. Okay, we are going to throw targets, 2 targets, with our paper balls.
We're going to throw our snowballs.
You want to explain the game?
All right, the snowball, there's 3 ways of scoring. 1, you throw it on the table, I get 1 point. If I throw it on the table, if it had stayed on, I would have got 2 points since I hit the cauldron. And the final one is if I toss it, and it actually, so there I would have gotten 2 points. If I toss it and it actually stays in the cauldron, I would get 3 points. If it falls off the table, I get 0.
We got some special guests with us today.
All right, so Coach Miracle, if you'll step back here to the red line. He can go, the coach is going to go first. He goes off the table, he gets no points. Oh, I hit and didn't get anything because it didn't stay in. Coach gets a point for being on. Oh, I almost got 2. Coach has got 1 point for being on the table, so I'm going to go for the cup because the only way I can win is if I make it in the hole. Oh! 3-pointer.
Good job, Coach.
All right.
So our last game.
The final game we're going to play is called Edge. All right. On this one, Coach and I need to be on the same side of the table because we're going to try to toss it to the other end of the table and see who can get closest to the end of the table without falling off. The person who has their their snowball the closest to the edge of the table without falling off wins that round. Go ahead, Coach. Ooh, that's a good toss. Oh, mine goes off. Oh, that was a good one. Ah, I'm 0 for 2. Coach has got the win right now.
So one thing you want to think about is strategy, okay? Since I have 1 on the table and I'm the only one on the table, I don't want to accidentally knock mine off, okay? So you got to think about that. Think about, use your head, critical thinking skills. Think about your next move. Think about how you can do your next move.
All right, Coach left the table open. I've got a chance I've got to at least get on the other side of him though in order to win this round. Oh, I pick up a point at the end, so I'm ahead 1-0. All right, so we pick up our snowballs. We go back and we play a second round. Right there before Coach. There you go. All right, so we're going to go to a second round on the side, and whoever wins that one gets another point. You can play as many points as you want, 5, 10, up to 100, whatever you want to do. That's your game, but this is how you keep score and play each round. And you get 1 point per round. Anything else, Coach?
I think that's it. Hey, the only other thing you can do with the paper wads is have a snowball fight.